everybody, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you our Konica Bizhub C3850 color multifunction printer. Say that 10 times. Okay, this thing, it's got a whopping 7-inch color touchscreen. Really lovely. Black and white and color, up to 40 pages per minute. 120,000 copies a month duty cycle. 1 gigahertz processor. 600 by 600 resolution. And both trays, I think, can do 550 a piece. Also, the feeder here can take up to 100 sheets. And we also have a finisher that allows you to staple your pages before it comes out. Alright, let's see what we got on the screen. We have a multitude of options here. Copying, scan to email, scan to folder, fax, document, prints, and delete. Basically, your copy is just going in, doing your regular copies through the feeder or the glass. You have auto color, where you can select black and white, full color, or even separate colors, 1 and 2. Really cool. Your density adjustments, lightness and darkness, text and photo, and your document size, 8.5 by 11. Any other size you want, legal. Your paper detection, whether it's coming from tray 1 tube or manual bypass, and a whole host of other things. That's the copy menu. Scan to email, where you can put your documents in here through the feeder or on the glass and scan your document to your email address. Scan to folder, where you can scan to the hard drive on the machine. You can fax on this thing, and also we got the document print delete, where you can put in a USB stick and actually print your documents there. This thing has a boatload of other features, including this one here. We actually have a finisher attached, which allows us to corner staple, which I'll be showing you in a minute. Okay, now that we're back, I'm just going to show you a couple things up top. You can put your paper in just like regular. You have a top document processor there. You can lift that up, put your copies there, and print from the glass. Right here is for your toner and imaging units. Toners come out just by sliding this to the left, pull them right out. Make sure you shake it back up before you put it back in, and slide it to the right. Here is your waste toner bottle. This just lifts up. So I can get it from this angle. I have to get in the camera's view, sorry. There you go, just lift up and out like that. Imaging units come out very simple. First, take your toner out, and then press that little blue knob down and slide out. That's good. Let me see if I can get in at this angle. There you go. You'll hear the click. Make sure you're at right in front of you, and your imaging unit slides right out just like that. And then you just slide right back in. Alright. And we'll put our toner right back in. Just like so. Waste toner. This thing is compact. Imaging units go, I believe, 60,000. Paper trays, 500 sheets a piece. This also does legal. Jam removal is pretty easy. Just lift everything up top here, pull your jam out. Right underneath, you can pull it out of the feeder here. We'll step around to the side. Alright, and this is our side door. You can remove any jams here just by lifting the paper out. Fusing unit comes out really easy. You just lift these black little tabs here. See if I can get in there. Lift those down, and the fusing unit will lift this up. The fusing unit will slide right out like so. Everything on this machine has been designed with simplicity in mind. It models your modern copier, which is just a little bit smaller. You have your manual bypass here. You can throw in your thick paper in there. Overhead transparencies. We really like this box. It really suits us really well. It also has a finisher here that I'll show you guys in a minute. Paper comes out, you can staple with this. You don't need the finisher to run the machine, but it's a nice accessory. Well, let's take a look at the paper trays. Both can fit about a ream of paper in each. Has some big thick rollers here. Really should not wear out that often. really heavy duty. You have the second paper tray here, same thing. You can also adjust this out for different size papers. Both trays do this. So let's do a little test here. I want a copy. I want it in full color. And let's go ahead and staple this bad boy too. Corner stapling. Check it out. Listen to the sound of that. That's the sound of quality. If you need a desktop color printer or one that's on the stand, you definitely want to give the Bizhub C3850FS a try. Let's wait for this to staple and see how it goes. Look at that. And just like that, there's your staple, if you can see it. Yes, you can. Alright, and this is the Konica C3850FS. Remember, if you need a desktop color or a color that sits on a stand for your home, office, or production, and you need a rental, contact Supertechs at supertechs3.com. See you on the next video.